Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use your refrigerator's ice makers. The LG side-by-side refrigerator features two ice makers. The Craft Ice Maker creates slow-melting round ice, and the indoor automatic ice maker is great for creating plenty of ice cubes for your family and your parties. So let's go over how to use the ice makers and their features. How to use the Craft Ice Maker. If this is the first time using the Craft Ice Maker after installation, or if the refrigerator has not been used for a long time, throw away the first full bin of ice, as the ice may include particles or odor from the water supply line or the water tank. The Craft Ice Maker creates round ice spheres, which melt slower than normal ice cubes and are exclusive to LG refrigerators. The Craft Ice Maker can produce 3 to 6 round craft ice a day. To choose the amount of craft ice you want to make in a day, simply go to the control panel inside your refrigerator and toggle the Craft Ice button. 3 Ice mode will create 3 craft ice spheres in a day, and 6 Ice mode will create 6. If you want to turn off the Craft Ice Maker, leave it at off mode. After 5 seconds, the last mode you have chosen will remain as the set mode. To turn the Craft Ice Maker back on, just press the button and toggle to the mode you want. The Craft Ice bin can store up to 20 to 30 pieces of round ice and will automatically stop producing ice when the bin is full. And now you're ready to elevate your drinks to the next level with Craft Ice. How to use the indoor ice maker. Like the Craft Ice Maker, if this is the first time using the indoor ice maker after installation, or if it has been a long time since you have used your refrigerator, we recommend you throw out the first bin of ice. Slightly lift up the ice bin with both hands and pull it out. Next, dispose all of the ice safely. To reattach the ice bin, carefully reinsert the ice bin by slanting the top slightly to fit under the ice maker, and push it in. You are all set to go. Whenever you want some ice cubes for your beverages, simply go to the dispenser. Select ice cubes by touching the icon on the left. Press the dispenser paddle with a glass or container and enjoy refreshing ice. If you want to choose crushed ice, just touch the icon on the right and press your glass or container up against the dispenser paddle. The ice maker will stop producing ice when the indoor ice storage bin is full. So if you want to prepare more ice for parties, use the dispenser to empty the ice bin and store the extra ice in a freezer compartment. Now, if you want to turn the ice maker off, just go to the control panel inside your refrigerator and press and hold the ice on/off button for 3 seconds. It is also a good idea to turn the ice maker off and shut off the water supply before leaving for a vacation. To turn the ice maker back on, simply press and hold the ice on/off button for 3 seconds. How to use Ice Plus. If you ever need more ice faster, try the Ice Plus function. Ice Plus increases both the amount of ice made and freezing capabilities for 24 hours. To turn Ice Plus on, press the Ice Plus button on the control panel inside your refrigerator. It will still take a few hours after turning on Ice Plus to produce the next batch of ice, so plan ahead for your party. After 24 hours, Ice Plus will automatically shut off. However, if you want to stop the function manually, press the Ice Plus button again to turn it off. And that is how to use the Craft Ice and the indoor automatic ice maker. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.